Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on a card that I made using one of the new thin cuts in the big book. It's called these card front slider windows, and it comes with 3 pieces, and then this corresponding stamp set that goes with it that is intended to work with this slider window tab. So let's look at what it is. So I've got this window, and then I've used this stamp set to go with it. And so you can see I've stamped the sending smiles. And then when you pull up the tab, it says across the miles. How cool is that? So I just wanted to show you quickly how it works and how to put it together so that you'll know. So it comes in 3 pieces. It has the thin cuts come in 3 pieces. And generally, you're going to want the white pieces to probably both be white, these ones. And so I just want to tell you that generally when I cut a thin cut thing, I do 2 at a time, and I cut my paper 5.5 by 6. That's way I can just cut it in half, and then 5.5 fits really nicely in my Big Shot. So this one, I have 2 pieces of paper cardstock that are 5.5 by 6, and so I have a couple. Now I have a lot of these to make. You don't really need this piece that's in the middle, and then you will need this piece here. So these are the mechanism pieces, and then you have the piece for the front. So the front we can just put to the side for a moment, and then I want to show you how to build the back. So we have this piece. This is your kind of your back brace, if you will, and it has 2 score lines. So you want to build that to be like that. And then this one also has 2 score lines. And this one works just like that pull tab birthday. We want to, I suppose, we want to go ahead and beef up the strength of this pull tab, which is probably why they give us a few layers to work with. So we'll make our pull tab nice and strong. And then we will put our back brace on the back. So we'll turn it over, and then we'll ink up those 2 little sides. Ink it up, glue it up, I guess. And then when you set it down, you definitely want to be able to see the stitches on the top side. So you just kind of even it up and go ahead and glue it down. And then we can insert our mechanism into that back brace. And it's not tricky. It's just it's going to catch on those little arms. So there we go. We have a thing, and I didn't even bring an ink so I can show you. So let me get that real quick. So we can show you how easy it is to stamp it. Now here I am on my craft table, so we'll see how that goes. So we've got hello. Then we pull it up. Not out. Why is it not stopping? Something's wrong. Oh, I didn't put it in the thing yet. Oh, how silly of me. Okay, the main part of the thing you got to do is make sure that your tab is going through the tab. Here we go. Insert it into the hole. There we go. Now we have a stopping mechanism. Okay, so we have hello. And now we have our next part where we can say sweet friend. There we go. Hello and sweet friend. Isn't that cool? Now stay tuned for another video where I show you how to make this even cooler. So thank you so much for watching.
Happy crafting.